soft lighting like this? Stick till the end. Hey everyone, welcome back to Deep Blend Art. I'm thrilled to have you all here for another exciting session in our Blender lighting playlist. Today we're diving into the captivating world of split lighting and its dynamic substyles, broad and short lighting. This is going to be a fun and practical deep dive. So grab your Blender project and let's make some dramatic lighting magic happen. Alright, let's kick things off with split lighting, one of the coolest and most powerful techniques in portrait lighting. If you've been following our previous sessions, we've already explored dramatic, non-dramatic, natural, and soft lighting styles. Now, split lighting sits at the far end of the contrast spectrum. It's the ultimate high contrast, high drama setup. Think of it as splitting your subject's face right down the middle, one side bathed in light, the other plunged into shadow. This creates the most intense contrast you can get in Blender, perfect for amplifying emotion and adding a cinematic edge to your scenes. So what's the deal with split lighting? It's all about maxing out contrast to create a bold, dramatic effect. Picture this: half of your character's face, or any object you're lighting, is fully illuminated, while the other half is in deep shadow. This setup naturally amplifies emotions. For example, if you've got a sad character, split lighting makes that sadness hit harder, almost like it's etched into their face. Or take a scene with a queen putting on makeup. Split lighting can enhance that feminine, sultry vibe, making it feel larger than life. Split lighting doesn't just amplify emotions, it adds a layer of mystery. Since half the character's face is hidden in shadow, it creates this intriguing, almost subconscious question in the viewer's mind. What's going on with this character? It's like a mental itch. For instance, a character who looks pensive or secretive, like they're plotting something, feels even more enigmatic with split lighting. Or picture a joyful scene, like someone dancing. The high contrast makes their happiness pop, but that shadowed half adds a hint of intrigue, like there's more to the story. Now let's talk about the two substyles of split lighting, broad lighting and short lighting. These are super practical variations, and while they don't hit as hard as pure split lighting in terms of drama, they're incredibly versatile in Blender. Broad lighting. This is when the side of the character's face facing the camera is lit and the far side falls into shadow. It creates a friendly, approachable vibe. Think warmth, connection, or relatability. Short lighting. The opposite. Here, the side facing away from the camera is lit and the camera facing side is in shadow. This adds a sense of distance or unease. It's perfect for creating a moody or mysterious atmosphere. Let's get practical. How do we set this up in Blender? Start by adding a new area light to your scene. Position it so it aligns with the center of your character's face or object, splitting it evenly. One side in light, one in shadow. Adjust the power to control the intensity. You generally don't need a diffuser for split lighting since the high contrast is the goal. But if you want softer edges, you can add a plane to diffuse the light slightly. One big mistake to avoid: don't make the light too large, as it'll spill light onto the shadowed side and ruin the split effect. For broad lighting, angle your character slightly toward the camera so the lit side faces the viewer. For short lighting, rotate them so the lit side is away from the camera. This subtle tweak makes a huge difference in the mood. Imagine a dog lit with split lighting, half its face in shadow, giving it a surprisingly dramatic, almost cinematic feel. Or picture a teacup, something simple, transformed into something moody and artistic with split lighting. These examples show how versatile split lighting is in Blender, working beautifully with animals, objects, or any subject you choose. Now, let's talk about our thumbnail star, the boxer. In this scene, split lighting amplifies the intensity, power, and even a hint of menace in the boxer's expression, making it perfect for a dramatic thumbnail. We're also using a rim light to add a subtle glow around the edges, enhancing that powerful vibe. If you're curious about rim lighting, check out the link in the description and the on-screen pop-up for a detailed breakdown. This setup shows how split lighting paired with a rim light can elevate a single character into something truly striking in Blender. And that's a wrap on split lighting. I hope you're as excited about this technique as I am. It's such a game changer for creating bold, emotional scenes in Blender. In our next video, we'll dive into the building blocks of lighting, what makes a scene dramatic, soft, or natural, and how to unlock your creative potential. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a video from Deep Blend Art. Drop a a comment below. Let me know how you're using split lighting in your projects. Until next time, keep blending and stay creative.